So I am back in Milpitas at the hotel that I have been to more times than probably any other hotel. This is the Hilton Garden Inn, San Jose, Milpitas. And this is room 247, king room on the second floor. You walk in and on the left you've got the closet with the suitcase stand, the ironing board, some hangers, and then the wire baskets for your clothing. And then come around and there's the little coffee service, microwave, refrigerator that I can't open. Then walk in, we've got a couple lamps with outlets, a TV, although they're installing new 55-inch TVs this week according to a note that I got in my room. A mirror over the desk area, more outlets. And we'll come back out to the view in a second. A chair with a table in the corner, another lamp. The nightstand is open with a phone and with a lot of outlets next to it, and then these little bedside lamps. The hotel does have a top sheet. Then on this side, you've got the alarm clock, another lamp, and thermostat in here. Full-length mirror here on the right. And the bathroom has a bathtub. Let's see if I can turn the light on. So we've got the bathtub, shower head, grab bar in the bathtub, toilet, sink, hair dryer, Neutrogena products, and then it's pretty well lit in here. And then going back out to the hotel room, the view is the parking lot and maybe a little bit of the pool. So the pool's down there on the second floor and the parking lot just behind it, a nice big palm tree, and then in and out just behind that. So this is 247 at the Hilton Garden Inn, San Jose, Milpitas. So they weren't kidding. They installed or brought in a brand new 55-inch TV. And what's really exciting is that it's a brand new remote, hopefully, so not a lot of hotel germs on it yet. So this is the fitness center at the Hilton Garden Inn. There is a treadmill, an elliptical, a bike, some weights, medicine balls, and then a little bit of towel service. And then it does lead out to the pool area, which has a pool that goes from 3 to 5 feet. And there's a jacuzzi as well in the corner here, which I've definitely been in, and it's always nice and warm. So this is the pool area at the Hilton Garden Inn.